What is John doing right now? He is sleeping right now. What is Rahul doing? He is singing. What is Mr. Peter doing? He is driving right now. What is Sampa doing right now? Sampa is talking on the phone. What are the children doing? Children are playing. You will notice that all the said actions have not completed at the time of speaking. The present continuous, also called present progressive, is a verb tense which is used to show that an ongoing action is happening now or at the moment of speech. For example, Akshat is reading a book now. She is listening to the radio. I am playing. Radha is singing. Rishabh is writing his project. Now, let's look at when we use the present continuous tense. So, we saw earlier, we can use it to talk about something that's happening right now. For example, the baby is sleeping. It's raining outside. So, those are examples of something happening right now. We can also use this tense to talk about something that's happening around now. For example, Ramesh is writing a book. So he might not be writing it this moment, but he's writing it around now. We don't know how long it will take, but it's happening around this time. So we can use it in that context. We could also say Radha is working on a project. Maybe the project is going to take 1 week and perhaps it will take 1 year or 10 years. We don't know, but it's happening around now. We can also use it to talk about something temporary. For example, we're staying at a hotel. We live in our home that's permanent, but right now, while we are in this city, we are staying at a hotel. That's something temporary. His father is working in Rome this month. This is called the present continuous and it talks about present, not the past, not the future, the present. The present continuous can also be used to show that an action is going to take place in the near future. We can also use present continuous tense to talk about the future, but only in a particular way. If I say she is flying to Delhi next week, now if I didn't say next week, if I only said she is flying to Delhi, what does it mean? It's happening right now. I have to say next week, tomorrow, or next summer, next year. I have to give it some kind of time in the future. And then you can use present continuous for the future. See other examples. I'm meeting some friends after work. I'm going to a party tonight. She is going to Delhi on Saturday. How do we form this tense? We form it by using the subject like I, you, we, they, he, she, it, plus helping verb plus the main verb with ing. Let's look at an example. I'm working. Affirmative, I'm going. Negative, I'm not going. Interrogative, am I going? You are going. You aren't going. Are you going? He, she, it is going. He, she, it isn't going. Is he, she, it going? Thank you.